Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for 11 years. In this video series, we're going to show you a couple of quick how-to repairs on a 5680 that you can do yourself to eliminate the cost and need of sending a service tech. So two indications that you need to adjust your potentiometer are if you key the machine on and it automatically moves forward or reverse, or you key the machine on, you drop your brush deck and your brushes start spinning. Okay, let's get to that pesky potentiometer to make the adjustment. First, raise your solution tank. Now, making it easier, drop your squeegee. Remove the star knob in the center and remove the two 13mm nuts. There's one on each side that holds the housing to the machine. Okay, make sure you brace the housing when you take that last nut out, because the housing will drop down abruptly if you don't. Okay, first things first, you're gonna locate the potentiometer, which is up here by the handle. So next step, we're gonna remove the potentiometer so we can make the adjustment. Now, this nut right here on the potentiometer is a 1/2 inch. I use one of these tools here just because it's thin and this gap in between the teeth sprocket and the potentiometer is not very big. So using one of these, having it be so thin, makes it a little bit easier. So what you want to do is loosen the nut that is holding your potentiometer in place. Okay, now that you have the nut all loosened up, you can take it and pull the potentiometer up out of the bracket it sits in. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, say if your brush motors turn on as soon as you drop the deck and you need to make the adjustment on the potentiometer like we're gonna do right now, key on your machine, drop your brush deck, brush motors are kicking on, take your sprocket and turn it until your brush motors kick off. Your potentiometer is set in the right position. Okay, one quick tech tip is leave your potentiometer in place and just loosen the 1/2 inch nut. Now, this is about the position where the potentiometer should sit. Now, if it's not and it's in a different position, all you gotta do is adjust the back end of the potentiometer until your brushes kick off. And then you can tighten down your 1/2 inch nut and you're done adjusting your potentiometer. Now that we've got that pesky potentiometer set, reverse the steps to put all this back together. Here's where your 13mm nuts go, and right here in the center is where your star knob is gonna go. Once again, my name is Keith. Be sure to visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com for the parts listed in this video for this machine and thousands of other machines, plus how-to guides and parts diagrams. Stay safe and thanks for watching.